Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and Eid Mubarak to all of you. And I hope you enjoyed a wonderful Eid day this year, Eidul Azha. And I hope you are okay and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today I want to discuss Islam and moral education subject. So students, bring your copy and book and pen, as you can understand this lesson clearly and perfectly. So let's start. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to today's online video class, and this video class is arranged by Milestone School and College, English Medium Senior Section, Class 8, Subject Islam and Moral Education. Subject teacher, this is me in front of you, Abdul Mahbud. Before starting our class, we will review your previous lesson. Inshallah, I hope you can say all answers. So let's know. The first question: how many ayats of which surah was firstly revealed? Yes, I hope you can say. The answer: 5 ayats of Surah Alaq. The 5 ayats was firstly revealed. The second question: how many Makki surahs are there in Holy Quran? Yes, I hope you can say. There are 86 Makki surahs of Holy Quran. And the next question: why is the Quran called a divine book? Why is Quran called divine book? Answer: Al-Quran is called a divine book because to guide mankind, Allah the Gracious has bestowed Al-Quran through Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam upon the greatest prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The Quran is inscribed on the Lawh Mahfuz, or it is preserved in Lawh Mahfuz, or protected shield. At first it was descended altogether at the night of Qadr to a place called Baitul Izzah in the first sky. Yes, I hope you can say the whole answer. So now we will know what will be our today's topic. Look at the screen. There is a picture. What can you see? Yes, maybe someone is reciting the Holy Quran. There is a woman who are reciting the Holy Quran. So students, what can be today's topic? I will give you another clue. The rules of recitation of Holy Quran. What is called the rules of recitation of Holy Quran? Yes. So today's topic will be Tajweed. I hope you can guess what will be the topic. Today we will learn Tajweed and Nun Sakin and Tanween. So your online lecture 38, remember it. It is very important for you. And chapter 3, and the name of chapter is the teaching of Quran Majid and Hadith. Lesson 2 and 3, two lessons we will discuss. So page number 56 to 60. So students, open your book. Now we will know the teaching point. What we will discuss today? At first we will know it. The first we will discuss benefit of recitation of Holy Quran Majid. The benefit of recitation of Quran Majid, the Holy Quran. Then we will know some hadith about benefit of recitation of Holy Quran, the importance of tasbih. Then we will learn what is nun sakin and tanween, and the decree or rules, or we can say kinds of nun sakin and tanween. And last we will know description of idgham, izhar, ikfa and iqlab. That means the kinds of or rules of nun sakin and tanween we will discuss today. So maybe you got the point. Okay, tasbih. We will know the importance of tasbih, importance of recitation of Holy Quran. The recitation of Holy Quran Majid brings immense reward to us, uncountable reward to us. It is the best nafal ibadat or optional worship. Endow with it the devotees own great respect and honor. So if we recite the Holy Quran, we will get a great respect and honor. Some hadiths about the benefit of recitation of Holy Quran. Not just the person who recites, but is her parents are honored as well. In the hadith it is said, there is a hadith, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about the recitation of Holy Quran. Whoever recites the Holy Quran and follows accordingly will find his or her parents crowned on the day of Qiyamah. In day of judgment or Qiyamah, he will find his parents crowned one. Okay, and that crown will shine more than the sunlight itself. The sunlight itself, it will be more than the sunlight itself. So it is a great honor by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And next hadith, another hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, among you the person who learned the Holy Quran and teaches others too is the best. If you learn the Holy Quran and if you teach the Holy Quran, you will be the best. So it is according to hadith from the hadith book Bukhari. Okay. He also said you should recite the Holy Quran because it will advocate in favor of its readers on the day of Qiyamah. You know, in day of Qiyamah there will be you will get no friend, you will be helpless. In the time, Holy Quran will advocate in favor of you to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So our duty to recite the Holy Quran more and more. The importance of tasbih. The importance of tasbih. Tasbih implies reciting the Holy Quran accurately. You know, if you recite the Holy Quran with tasbih, it will be accurate. To attain the benefits of or fazilat of recitation of Holy Quran, we have to recite the Quran preciously. That means according to tasbih. For this, it is necessary to gain the knowledge of tasbih. It is wajib to recite Quran after the manner of tasbih. According to tasbih, recite the Holy Quran is wajib. So as a Muslim, we have to learn the tasbih. And also, unless the reader recite the Quran in compliance, that means in rules with tasbih, he or she will be sinner and his or her salat will not be accepted. So it is very, very dangerous. If we don't know tasbih, our salat will not be accepted because the recitation will not be correct. About this, the Almighty Allah orders, Warattilil Qur'ana tartila. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered us, Warattilil Qur'ana tartila. That means recite the Holy Quran slowly and distinctly. This ayat or verse has been taken from Surah Al-Muzammil, verse number 4. So, students, in another hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, the expert of Ilm Quran is included to those angels who are pious and engaged in writing and directed by Allah. And he who tries to recite the Holy Quran again and again, despite the hardship to do, will gain virtue 2 times. So it is also one of the greatest honored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now students, so we will recite the Holy Quran regularly according to Tajweed. If it is difficult to recite, we will try our best to do. You know, if you are not good at math, what will you do? You have to do the practice more and more. Like that, if you are weak in tajweed, you have to try your best. So Allah will accept your excuse, otherwise Allah will not accept. Okay. Now we will discuss another lesson Noon Sakin and Tanwin. The first we will know what is Noon Sakin. Noon Sakin in the letter Noon with Jazm. You can see the skin, there is a Noon, and also one Noon there is a Jazm. If there is a Noon with Jazm, it is called Noon Sakin. Okay. Okay, maybe you are clear. So Noon Sakin, look at the skin. Noon Sakin is the letter Noon free from any vowel. That means Jab or Jer or Pesh. It will be free from Jab or Jer and Pesh. Only there will be Sakin or Jazm. Okay. And Tanween means 2 Jers, 2 Pesh and 2 Jabors is called Tanween. Look at the skin. There is a 2 Jers under Ba, and also there is a 2 Pesh, 1 Ba, and 2 Jabors, 1 Ba. So it is called Tanween. Are you clear? Okay. And also you can see there is a hidden noon after Tanween. So remember, it will be a hidden noon in is Tanween, which is expressed at the time of pronunciation. When you want to pronounce this letter, it express noon sakin, like that. Ba noon jer bin and ba tu jer bin. There is same pronunciation. Okay, students. Now, example of nun sakin. Look at the skin. An. Alif nun jabr an. Alif nun jar in and alif nun pesh un. These are the example of nun sakin. An example of tanween, suppose rajulun, lam there is a 2 pesh, so it is tanween. Rajulin, and lam under lam there is a 2 jer, so it is tanween. Rajulan, there is also 2 jabr, 1 lam, so it is tanween. And when you pronounce this tanween, there is express a noon, hidden noon. Okay, I hope you could understand. Students, can I ask you any question? Yes, I want to ask a question. Say, what is the meaning of sorry, what is nun sakin? Yes, I hope you can say nun sakin. um, uh, Noon with jazm is called nun sakin. Another question, what is tanwin? Yes, two jabors, two pesh and two jers are called tanwin. Good, you are very good students. So students, the degree of nun sakin and tanwin. Decree means the rules or kinds of nun sakin and tanwin. Nun sakin and tanwin are pronounced similarly. Underline it. Nun sakin and tanwin pronounced similarly. For this reason, these two are discussed together in the precept of tasbih. Precept means the rules of tasbih. There are 4 laws of nun sakin. How many laws? 4 laws. Underline it. And tanwin in tasbih in order to read the nun sakin and tanwin. Okay, the degree of nun sakin, the 4 rules already we have known it. The first is idgham, second is ikfa, and third is izhar, fourth is qalab or iklab. Okay, the first we have to know what is idgham. The meaning of the word idgham is to read by combining, by mixing one thing with another. Okay, it is very important for you. Underline this line. So idgham means to read in euphonic junction by joining the letter with another. In terminology of tajweed, after nun sakin or tanween, if any of the 6 letters of idgham comes, that nun sakin or tanween is to be read jointly with that letter by making a junction. This very process of reading is called idgham. Okay, after nun sakin and tanween, if the letters of idgham, 6 letters of idgham will come, we have to read it jointly. It is called idgham. Okay, now we will know what are the 6 letters of idgham. Because of idgham, both letters are pronounced at the same time, and the letter which comes next to nun sakin or tanween is attached to the tasdeed. After nun sakin, if the letter of idgham will come, then we have to give a tasdeed. We have to give a tasdeed. So now we will know the kinds of idgham and the letters of idgham. There are 2 kinds of idgham. There are 6 letters of idgham, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, nun, and it is divided into 2. Idgham ba gunna, that means idgham with gunna. And in idgham with gunna there are 4 letters, ya, mim, waw, nun, and idgham without gunna there are only 2 letters, ra and lam. Are you clear? Okay, how many letters of idgham? Yes, there are 6 letters of idgham, and these letters are divided into 2. Idgham with gunna there are 4 letters, and idgham without gunnas there are 2 letters. Okay, now idgham with gunna, after nun sakin or tanween, if any of the 4 letters ya, mim, waw, nun comes, that nun sakin or tanween is to read jointly with that letter with gunna of 1 alif. 1 alif means, what is the, do you know what is 1 alif? 1 alif means if you want to curl your finger this time, only this time, this is called 1 alif. This is called idgham with gunna. And another name of idgham, another name of is idgham naqsis. Underline it. What is the another name of idgham with gunna? Idgham naqsis. For example, there is a Arabic word man yaqulu. After nun sakin there come ya. For this reason, we gave here tasdeed and we have to do the gunna. Mayaqulu hittatun nakfiru lakum. After tanween, look at the here. After ta, one ta, there is a two pesh, and after two pesh, there is a noon. So we have to do gunna here. Are you clear? Okay, students. Now idgham without gunna. After nun sakin or tanween, if any of the rest two letters raw lam comes, that nun sakin or tanween is to read jointly with that letters without gunna. After nun sakin, if come these two letter, we have to read without gunna. This is called idgham without gunna. Another name of idgham, idgham kamil. Underline it. It is also important. What is the another name of idgham without gunna? Okay. Now example of idgham without gunna. There are some example of with gunna. Milladunka, nun sakin, and after nun sakin. Okay, there is a nun sakin, and after nun sakin there came lam. So there will not be any gunna. Milladunka Ghafurur Rahim. You know, in raw, on raw there are two pesh, and after two pesh there came raw. So we have to do here idgham without gunna. That means we have to recite it without gunna. Okay, students, some exceptional rules of idgham. It is for higher studies. You know, there are some exceptional rule where we cannot, we have not do any gunna in spite of here come any letter of idgham. Suppose bunyanun, nun sakin, and after nun sakin there came ya, but there is no tashdid, so it is exceptional rule. And also dunya and sinwanun. After nun sakin there came a wow, but we didn't do any gunna here, or we didn't give there any tasdeed. So it is exceptional because you know the tasbih came for making easy the recitation, but if we do here idgham, it will be hard to pronunciation. For this reason, it is exceptional rules. We will not do here any gunna, or we will not do here any idgham. Okay, maybe you could understand. Then ikfa, the another rules of nun sakin. Ikfa means reading covertly or secretly. Underline this line. What is the meaning of ikfa? And definition: if any of those letters comes after nun sakin, there are we will know the letters of ikfa, and after nun sakin and tanween, if the letters of ikfa will come, this nun sakin or tanween has to be pronounced with nasal sound silently. That means we will do here gunna. We will do here gunna. That means like the there is a Bangla letter Chandrabindu. Like this Chandrabindu, we will do this, and it lengthening equal to 1 alif time. This is called ikfa. Okay. Okay, now letters of ikfa. There are 15 letters of ikfa. How many letters? 15 letters. Ba, ta, sa, sorry, ta, sa, jim, dal, zal, jha, sin, shin, so, bod, to, zo, fa, qaf, kaf. These are the letters of ikfa. Example of ikfa: Min tahtiha. Min, it is a nun sakin, and after nun sakin there came ta. So we have to read it with nasal sound silently. Min tahtiha. Okay. Then man fa'ala. After nun sakin there came fa. And fa is letter of ikfa. You already have known it. Kiraman katibin. After tanwin there came kaf. So we did here gunna. Kiraman katibin. Okay, I hope you could understand. But if you have any problem, you should contact with your subject teacher, as well as you can contact with me. And izhar, last we will know the third point, the izhar, that it is the third kinds of or third rules of nun sakin and tanwin, meaning to read distinctly, to reveal, etc., or we can say to read clearly. Definition: after nun sakin or tanwin, if any of letters izhar comes to pronounce that nun sakin or tanwin distinctly from its own makhraj without gunna is called izhar. That means if any letters of izhar will come after nun sakin and tanwin, we have to pronounce it without gunna. That means clearly. It is called izhar. Izhar, the letters of izhar, there are 6 letters of izhar. How many letters? 6 letters. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. These 6 letters are letters of izhar. These letters are known as harfe halqi. Underline it. What letters is known as harfe halqi? The letters of izhar is known as harfe halqi. Okay, students. Now example of izhar. Some example we will know. Minhum, after nun sakin there came ha. So we cannot do any gunna here. Min khairin, azizun alayhi. After tanwin there come ain. So we cannot do any gunna here. Okay, students, the last rules of nun sakin is iqlab. So we will know what is iqlab. The meaning of iqlab: to read by making alteration. It read making alteration. Definition: if the letters ba comes after nun sakin or tanwin, this nun sakin or tanwin has to convert into mim and read with gunna equal to 1 alif time. This is called qalab or iqlab. You know there are two names of iqlab and qalab. So if the ba letters come after nun sakin and tanwin, we will exchange or alter the nun with mim, and we have to do gunna here equal to 1 alif time. It is called iqlab. Okay, are you clear? So look at the screen. There is an example of iqlab. Here there are 2 jabars, 2 pesh and 2 chairs, and there is a noon, and after noon sakin there came ba. So it will be alternate with a small meme, a little meme. Suppose I recite it. Famam baddalahu. Famam, noon, here noon, but we alter or we exchange noon with meme. So it is iqlab. Okay, students. I hope you could understand it. So now we will know the related questions, some related questions. Write some related question on your copy. The first question, what do you mean by tanween? It is 1 mark question. What is tajweed? Explain. It is 2 mark question. That means comprehension based question. Describe the classification of idgham. How many kinds of idgham? That means degree of idgham. You have to describe it. There are 2 kinds of idgham. Idgham bagunna, that means idgham with gunna and idgham without gunna. Write the importance and reward of recitation of Holy Quran. We already learned it. What is the importance and reward of recitation of Holy Quran? I hope you can write this answer and you can say this answer also. Okay, now your feedback. Inshallah, I hope you can say the answers of feedback question, because you already learned, you already have learned it. The first question of what is the best of all Nafil ibadat? Yes, the answer is the recitation of Holy Quran. What is the meaning of idgham? Answer, to read by combining or to mix one things to another. What is ikfa? It is a 2 mark question, so I want to say it. Ikfa, you know, if after nun sakin and tanween, if any letters of ikfa will come, then we have to recite this noon with gunna. It is called ikfa. Okay, good. You are very good students. So now I want to finish this class. Now your today's summary. What did we discuss today? Benefit of recitation of Holy Quran. Importance of tajweed. What is nun sakin and tanween? You already have known it. The degree or rules or kinds of nun sakin and tanween. Description of idgham. Description of ikfa, and description of izhar, and last description of iqlab. Dear students, I hope you could understand today's lesson, and I hope you will stay home and you will stay safe. So in summary, there is a picture: izhar, idgham, qalab, and qalab means iqlab and ikfa. We learned these rules of ikfa, nun sakin and tanween. So if you have any query, any question, you can ask me, and you can contact with your subject teacher. So inshallah they will solve your problem. Now your SW number 19. SW is learn plus write the related questions. So I hope you can write this relative question properly, inshallah. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Pray for me. Jazakallah.